Ready to bridge your crypto assets from Binance to Kraken? Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account and hover over Wallet at the top of the screen. Then click on Fiat and Spot. Find the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click the Withdraw button next to it. Now, switch over to your Kraken account and log and click on the Deposit button. Select the cryptocurrency you are depositing, making sure it matches the crypto you are withdrawing from Binance. Kraken will then generate a deposit address for you. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, double-check. Back on Binance's withdrawal page, paste the Kraken deposit address into the address field. Now, select the correct network. This is extremely important. The network on Binance must match the network supported by Kraken for that specific cryptocurrency. Selecting the wrong network will result in the loss of your funds. Usually both will use the native chain, like the Bitcoin or Ethereum network. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts and transaction fees displayed by Binance. Before confirming, triple-check the deposit address and the network one last time. Security is key in crypto. Complete the necessary security verification steps required by Binance, such as 2FA or email confirmation. Once confirmed on Binance, the transaction will be processed. Head back to your Kraken account and wait for the deposit to appear. This may take some time, depending on the network congestion and the crypto in question. And that's it. You've successfully transferred cryptocurrency from Binance to Kraken. Happy trading!